In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet inside Notion. By the end, you'll have a live scrollable spreadsheet right inside your Notion page, perfect for dashboards, reports, and shared project hubs. All you need is your Google Sheet and a Notion page where you want the embed to appear. Start in Google Sheets with the spreadsheet you want to display. Click the Share button in the top right. In the sharing window, look for the general access section and change it to anyone with the link. This setting is important because Notion needs permission to load the sheet. For most use cases, set the role to viewer, which makes the sheet read only in Notion and keeps your data safer from accidental edits. If your organization has stricter policies, make sure the link is at least visible to your workspace domain, or the embed won't load for your teammates. Once you've set the access level, you're ready to bring the sheet into Notion. Next, click Copy Link to put the shareable URL on your clipboard. That's the exact link Notion will use to display your sheet. Quick privacy tip. Anyone who gets this link can view the sheet at the access level you just set, so only share it in trusted spaces and avoid exposing confidential data. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want the spreadsheet. Click into an empty line and type a /, then start typing Embed. Select the Embed block from the menu. When the Embed dialog appears, paste the Google Sheets link you copied a moment ago, then click Embed Link. Notion will load a live view of your spreadsheet directly on the page. Give it a second to render. You can resize the embed by dragging the edges to fit your layout, and you can scroll within the block to navigate rows and columns. If you see a sign-in prompt or a permissions error, go back to the Google Sheet and confirm the share setting is anyone with the link and at least viewer. If the layout looks cramped, widen the block or switch the page to full width for more room. That's it. You shared your sheet, copied the link, and embedded it in Notion. Any updates you or your team make in Google Sheets will reflect automatically in the Notion embed, so your workspace stays up to date without manual copy pasting. Thanks for watching and enjoy building cleaner, more connected pages in Notion.